Welcome to SVISION on Cloud. Let's begin this system overview from the Planner profile. Log into an environment and select one of your workspaces. Once inside, you'll see the Information panel, which displays various indicators such as pending tasks, delays, activity reports, alerts, technician information, and the activity log. Let's start in the lobby. In this module, you can find and manage activities, work orders, and requests. In activities, you'll see those that are pending, ready to be performed, and completed. In work orders, you'll find drafts, open orders, orders in progress, orders ready to close, closed orders, and canceled orders. In requests, you can manage requests generated by both registered and unregistered users. On the right, you'll find a link you can share so others can submit new requests. Now let's go to the Plan Editor. In this section, you can view the tree diagram, which includes locations, properties, assets, parts, and even their maintenance plans. This is one of the most important modules in the system. From here, you can add your assets, capture their information, configure their component parts, and manage everything related to their maintenance, both planned and unplanned. Let's move on to the List view. Here, you can view all created assets and their most relevant data in a list format. You can add columns with different equipment fields to have the information you need readily available. This will facilitate management, the use of tags, and bulk data editing. Now let's look at the Parts Manager. From this module, you can select the node type to create and manage the parts that make up each piece of equipment. You can also create subparts, define whether a part is default, or specify which equipment has it and which doesn't, even if they are of the same type. Next, let's look at the Tag Manager. Here, you will find all created tags, the number of assignments, and you can see exactly where they are being used. Another key module of the system is the Action Manager. From here, you can assign by default the technicians responsible for performing different actions on the equipment. In addition, you can configure and manage equipment readings, maintenance initialization, and trigger management. From the Calendar module, you can view equipment maintenance dates. Here, you can identify maintenance performed on time, overdue maintenance, or maintenance that has fallen behind schedule. You can also organize calendars by node type and define the time range you want to view. Now let's look at the Backpack. In this module, you can manage the resources that will later be used in maintenance activities. Finally, we come to the Tasks module. This module is personalized for each user, so you will only see the tasks you are responsible for. You can organize them by due date, by equipment, or by location, and access each one to mark it as completed. At the bottom of the menu, you will find a gear icon that will take you to Environment Administration. From there, you can view the details, members, and configuration of the environment. Within the configuration, you can manage the classification types, where you can view, edit, activate, and create nodes. You can also configure the calendar for each workspace, defining working days and managing non-working days. In addition, you'll find various catalogs such as requirements, cost centers, procedures, and failures. You can configure work orders by setting prefixes and suffixes. And finally, manage notifications related to stock changes in technicians' backpacks. Thank you for joining us on this tour of SVISION on Cloud.